sweetheart.
I'm not well.
Good morning, y'all. It's Coronation Day. Hello, my beautiful people. Today is the day that Beyonce comes to MetLife Stadium. I'm going to see her perform Les Renaissance. Anyways, I'm really excited. I have 30 minutes to leave, and all I have is my base makeup on. So we love that for me. Anyways, so I need to finish get ready. Then I need to go to Chandler's. And then from Chandler's, we're gonna record a couple TikToks. Then we're gonna go pick up the car that we rented. Yes, we rented a car because this is very serious, okay? We're not playing no games with the Ubers, the Subway, none of that. We're not having none of that. What else? It's so hot in this damn bathroom, I gotta open up the door. We're also going to brunch just to get the vibes right. And then we're gonna pull up to Late concert. Even though it's in the evening, we're gonna be there early because we need to be at our seats. We need to get some content over there. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, y'all. Face and hair is done. We're on our way out. I'm just making sure that I literally have everything before I leave, because once I leave this place, child, that is it. The Uber is downstairs, girl. She ready to leave me, child. Let me hurry up. I think I got all my belongings. All right, folks, we at Channy Chan's house. Channy Chan, hold on, we need an introduction because she got her outfit on. We are now introducing Channy Chan. Period, period, bow, 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 period. First of all, this bitch tall as fucking these platforms, but she finna eat the girlies up. She finna eat.
But come on, so we gotta go.
Okay. I had to borrow some lashes from her because, child, my lashes is packed and I could not find them. I really thought I knew where they were. Child, they're not where they said they was. They lied to me. It is so much being a woman sometimes. And I ain't got no tweezers, we finna free ball it. And I didn't even line my lids. I'm hilarious. The funniest person that I know. Ooh, child, I don't want this video getting copyrighted, but goddamn. Okay, update, lashes are indeed intact, and we are at Les Subway on the way to go pick up Les rental car.
Yeah, we about to get the car, y'all.
We about to get a car. And then we're gonna go to brunch. Where are we going to brunch? Cask, that's right. Cask Kitchen and Bar, something like that. So very excited for that. Very excited for the eats, for the mimosas. Actually, I might do bottomless Bloody Marys. We gonna see what the vibes are. Not you say ew in my video. All right, y'all, we just got the car. We got the Tesla. And now we're on the way to brunch. Jamel over here helping us out, teaching us how to use a Tesla, because none of us know how to use no electric car like that. I'm dead. We are going crazy for the Beyonce concert. We in the Tesla. All right, now I gotta go ahead and get dressed before Chandler kill me. But it's nice in here. I ain't never been in the front seat of a Tesla before. How do we get out? Heard you got that D for me. All right, y'all, we just got here. I'm fully dressed. I literally got dressed in the car. So this is what the outfit's giving. I'll show y'all like the whole thing later on, but the scarf is off, the edges is crisp and they're out, and me and Shane got the same matching sunglasses. So now we're paying for late parking and pray that nobody touches this car here, because we rented this car. We need this car to be safe, sound, and secure. But now we're going to brunch at Cass.
Make sure I get my money back.
All right, we're outside in the heat, but we're in the light. You know the vibes. And we're wrapping up for Le Brunch.
This is a really nice town.
Thank y'all. It's the Sony ZV-1.
Yeah.
Sure.
Link in bio.
We all literally link in bio. We literally all have the same like sunglasses, but in different variations.
Beyonce actually, it's a fun story, y'all. Beyonce called us personally.
Yes.
She checks up on us from time to time.
Yes, she does.
And she asked us all to wear the same superstar sunglasses. Do y'all remember that?
I remember, yes.
You know, Blue and my sister are very good friends, around the same age, very close, very close. You know, that's family, for real. The Carters, we really locked in, that's family. You know, I don't want to say too much because I don't want to put my family's business out in the streets, but that's family. We're very private, very private.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to start something now. Only a real one can tame.
it familiar. That kind of love, big business.
I really don't do what I want to. Then hit it one time.
Baby, let me upgrade you.
I've been in the house way too long. Time to get it.
We're in our seating tins. Period. Y'all done splurged at the merchandise store. I'm gonna do a haul later.
Wait, give me that. I want your drinks before I give you that.
Okay. I done splurged. I got me a shirt, my mama's shirt, Whitney's shirt. I got the heated fan, y'all. Where the heated fan is? Got the heated fan. And I got the book, the coffee table book. So that's gonna be in the new apartment, period. It's a good little christening, you know. And we got to speak to Bay Good, which is basically Beyonce's nonprofit. But yeah, we're having a good time, making friends with our neighbors. And someone literally just got Chandler Excedrin. Like, that's how much our folks is fucking with us, okay? We just ready for Beyonce. We're ready for, Allie, are we ready for Beyonce?
We're ready.
Y'all, look at how close we are.
We're
Right.
gonna see Beyonce. Peach Fuzz.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I close my eyes and travel through realms of space and time. Reality holds no power or control of my state of mind on my voyage to find a source to charge my inner being. Assembly line frequency as I tap my MPC. I find the Mecca, Chicago, ATL, and NYC. Motor City opulence, these pretty beats. They looped, I looped, the sample to feel free. Soundscape memories. Hands on the machine, the soul's battery, surrender to the current. Scratch the needle, jack my body, phase in my deepest dreams. Loop the sample, release, loop the sample, be free. Listen to the hands, and touch the machine. Anointed is the floor where all are free. Sonic singularity, future liberty. Come with me through my portal, my insanity, where I am. My renaissance, my house of chrome, where I'm reborn. Where you at?
it is a couple of days post the Beyonce concert. I just want to first and foremost say thank you for watching this video all the way through. I know that y'all want to see all of my moving updates, and I promise you they're coming. The next video is going to be a New York City apartment hunting video. Very excited to post that, but I wanted to get this one up first because that one's just taking a little bit longer because I saw a lot of apartments, but I had to get this up for y'all. Also, let me go ahead and show y'all the things that I got from the merch line. Okay, so as y'all all know, I got a heated fan. This is what it looks like front to back, and on the side it actually says Renaissance World Tour 2023. I also got me, my sister, and my mom the same shirt, which is this beautiful shirt of Beyonce, and then all the locations across the world that she had the Renaissance tour at. And then of course your girl had to get the toe. The toe is cute, boo. And then again, the tour locations on the back. Now I don't think I'm ready for this one. This next one is probably the favorite thing that I got out of the merch line, which is the coffee table book. And so when you open it up, first of all, it has these beautiful like high res photos to literally how the stage in the stadiums are set up. Oh, it has a lot of like BTS from photo shoots that she did. Looks like here there's a set list. This is my first time ever seeing Beyonce in the flesh, and first time I ever obviously gone to one of her concerts, and I've been a fan of hers since when she was in Destiny's Child. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can stay tuned and so you can see more of me, because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on the channel, so why wouldn't you? Thanks for watching. Bye.